Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your outreach calendar using Trello boards step by step clearly. To set up your outreach calendar using Trello boards, start by creating a free Trello account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board option. Name your board something like Outreach Calendar for easy identification. Choose a background color or image that resonates with your brand. Now, click on Create Board to finalize your new board. You should now see a blank board with a menu on the right side. Start by creating lists to organize your outreach categories. Consider adding lists like Leads, In Progress, and Follow Up. To add a list, click on the Add a List option and type in your list name. Next, let's add cards to the Leads list. Click the Add a Card option under the Leads list. Type in the name of the company or individual you wish to reach out to. Click on Add Card to save it. Now, click on the card you just created to open it. In the card, you can add more details such as contact information and notes. To include a due date for your outreach, click on the Due Date option on the right. Select the date you plan to reach out and save it. Next, add any relevant attachments or links within the card by using the Attach option. Consider adding labels to categorize your outreach types, such as email or social media. You can create labels by clicking on the label. Once your card is populated, you can move it to the In Progress list as you start outreach. After sending an outreach message, set a follow-up reminder by creating a new card in the follow-up list. Repeat this process for each new lead you want to manage through your outreach calendar. Regularly review your board to keep track of progress and make adjustments as needed. This workflow makes it easy to visualize your outreach efforts and stay organized. You are now equipped to efficiently organize your outreach strategy using Trello boards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.